5 simple steps how to get a puppy to stop biting. Does your puppy bite? If you've recently adopted a puppy, one of the first things you're going to ask yourself is, why is he biting so much? Well, either that or what in the hell have I gotten myself into? Any dog can bite. According to the Center for Disease Control, dogs bite around 4.5 million people each year. This number may seem frightening, but there are a number of things you can do to ensure that your dog doesn't contribute to this dog bite statistic. But wait, before continue this video, please hit subscribe button first, so you know when we launch new videos. Puppy biting may be cute at the beginning, but as your pup grows, these little nips can turn into painful bites. A puppy's teeth are very sharp, and dogs often don't know how hard they're biting. When a dog bites a person, it is often out of fear or protectiveness, or when they aren't feeling well and want to be left alone. Training to prevent dog bites involves proper socialization, providing structure, and building your dog's confidence. Training your puppy to stop biting isn't a fun process. I'm not going to sugarcoat it. It takes a lot of patience and consistency, and some dogs take longer to train than others. But don't worry, there is hope. These methods work by encouraging you to chew on something appropriate, rather than using your limbs as a chew toy. Want to learn how to get a puppy to stop biting? Here are the steps to take to stop puppy nipping. 1. Redirect your puppy's bites to another object. If you want to teach your puppy to stop biting, start using the redirection method. Every time your puppy goes to bite your hands or pant legs, redirect their attention to another object. 2. Teach your puppy that biting means game over. If your puppy bites you while playing, that means playtime is over, with no exceptions. Yelling at or physically punishing your puppy, as strange as it sounds, is also a type of reward. It teaches them that biting gets some kind of response from you, which is known as positive punishment. This can also make them fearful of being handled. Instead, teach them that biting will get them nothing. 3. Give your puppy an alternative item to chew. It's a good idea to keep a puppy chew toy at hand at all times, so you can anticipate biting behavior and substitute the toy for your hand or furniture. Doing so will let pups know what is okay to bite or chew. If they start nibbling at your fingers or toes while you're playing, offer a toy instead. Again, if they continue to nip, stop the play session immediately. If you've been training your puppy to sit, you might also redirect them by asking them to sit and rewarding with a toy. 4. Work on obedience training. An obedient dog is easier to control. By working on obedience training, you can use basic commands to keep your dog focused on you in situations in which it is uncomfortable. If you are able to control your dog's behavior, it is less likely to bite. In addition, training provides structure for your dog and boosts its confidence. 5. Use positive reinforcement. Positive reinforcement dog training is a method of training which rewards good behavior rather than punishing inappropriate behavior. Positive reinforcement can include treats, extra play time, verbal encouragement, petting, or any other activity your dog enjoys. Punishment, by contrast, can be anything a dog finds unpleasant. Some common punishments include hitting, leash corrections, and physically rolling a dog over, a process referred to as alpha rolling. Puppy nipping and biting are natural behaviors for puppies but unwanted in adult dogs. Remember, a large majority of dogs surrendered to shelters by their owners are between 18 months and 2 years of age, the point at which cute puppy behavior becomes frustrating to the owner. Taking these few simple steps now will help prevent that bad behavior down the line and allow you to have a stress-free lifelong relationship when that little bundle of fur grows up. Inside your dog there is incredible intelligence. And once you unlock that intelligence, most behavioral problems simply melt away. And the bond with you and your dog grows stronger. Sound good? Check the link below to unlock your dog's natural intelligence today. The well-behaved dog of your dreams is waiting to emerge. Any troublesome bad behavior you're dealing with is waiting to disappear. Don't put up needlessly with bad behavior a second longer. Looking for another method for how to keep a puppy from biting? Check the link below. It's great for eliminating any bad behaviors by tapping into your dog's hidden intelligence. Thanks for watching. Hit like button if you love this video. Share with friends and subscribe to support us.